Natural Essence. I'm coming at you today to talk about something I have never tried. Um, I have tried a lot of different natural remedies to grow my hair, but this one I have never heard of until just recently. I saw it on YouTube. As you know, I am also a consumer of YouTube, so I love to watch videos. So, yeah, I just never heard of this before, but it's crazy because I had this in my fridge, and it's vinegar and red onions, and this was in my fridge, and it has been marinating. And then I just came across a video that talked about, um, I'm not sure if they used vinegar, but they said using the onion juice to grow your hair. So I was like, what? Because I had this in the fridge, and I was like, I'm gonna try testing this out. I have never done. The only thing I've tried was the neem oil hair growth. I did a challenge on that, and I think I did aloe vera challenge. And I've never tried any of the other challenges like rice water. I've never tried any of that. I'm allergic to rice, so that just doesn't really faze me at all, like to even try rice water. Even though, I mean, I'm not absorbing it, I'm in my, like, eating it, but just rice in general, I'm not a fan of. So I figure I would try this onion juice. And vinegar, for me, like apple cider vinegar, is really good for stimulating the scalp and cleansing the scalp. This is white distilled vinegar, but what I'm going to do is drain the onion out of this. And since it's been soaking for so long, I've had it soaking for like 3 weeks, I'm not going to eat the onions. I'm going to throw the onions away. I'm just going to use the vinegar juice or the vinegar water, and since it's been marinating for so long, I'm sure it has like a lot of onion power up in here. So I'm gonna kind of put it in a bottle, one of those plastic bottles that you can just squeeze over your hair, and then I'm just gonna massage this. This is only gonna be on my wash day. I'm gonna just massage it in my scalp. Now, I'm not sure if I should do it prior, like a pre-poo, and then I think I'm going to do it as a pre-poo, and then shampoo, because I don't want to be smelling like onions. So yeah, I'll do actually my pre-poo first, because I got to wash this color out of my hair first, and then once it's rinsed, then I'm going to actually go in with this and just massage it into my scalp. I'm not sure how long I'm going to leave it on. I'm not going to leave it on like a conditioner. I'm just going to actually just kind of massage it in for a few minutes and then rinse it out. And then I'm going to just wash my hair with regular and put a deep conditioner. But to see any results, you got to do it more than one time. So I'm thinking I may try to do this for like a month and see if there's any, if I see any difference or any results. I know I talk a lot about hair growth, like, like I'm obsessed with getting my hair to grow long, which I'm not really. I just want healthy hair. So I hope you just never know how it comes across on video, because I always talk about having long hair, long hair, long hair. But my focus is really just healthy. I like thick, healthy hair. And if it happens to grow long, that's fine with me. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It's not a big deal. I just want healthy hair. And because I have thin hair in the back, maybe that's the reason why I'm always talking about, having length, because I used to have thickness in the back of my hair. But you gotta work with what you have. So I just wanted to make a short video with this onion juice, and maybe I'll pop that video so y'all can see the original video that I watched about this onion juice so you can get a better detailed information about it, because I mean, this is something new for me, so, and I haven't actually tried it, but I want to start trying some natural remedies, some concoctions that I haven't tried yet, because there's another video that I'm gonna have to get the ingredients, but once I get the ingredients, and actually I'll feature that video, because it has like 4 different ingredients and you mix it together to make this mixture. So once, and it's supposed to be really healthy for your hair. So like if you're having any kind of health issues, not health issues, but you know, hair issues, you can apply this mixture to your hair. So this is how it's looking today. Yay. And we will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.